what's up? It's your girl Nemo, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. If you didn't see my short the other day, then you will not have seen my hair, so surprise! But yeah, I kind of love it. It's really greasy right now, which is why it's so easy for me to just kind of flip it around and do whatever. I haven't washed it in like 3 or 4 days to prepare for this moment, because just letting the oils build up on your scalp makes it, just helps protect the scalp a little more when you're bleaching. Today I'm going to be touching up my roots and doing a very mild bleach bath on my ends. I know I said I wasn't going to use bleach, but I lied. And it's only the 7th of January. But I just want to get this color out because I have an idea of what I want to do, but it'd really be better if I just got this all clear. So I'm going to be using Ion Cream Bleach for the first time ever. It's supposed to be a lot gentler than powder bleach, and I've never used it, and supposedly it works really well. So we're going to give that a try, and I'm going to be using 30 volume on my roots and then letting that sit for probably 10-15 minutes, and then doing a bleach bath with 10 volume instead of 30. There's no way I'm doing that. And hopefully after that, then I can kind of not bleach so much, but I'm going to stop talking, get my gloves on, and get started. One thing I want to say is I don't really recommend using 30 volume on your roots. My roots are really dark, and I'm hoping I can get this done in just one sitting. Usually I have to do my roots at least twice to get them to a color that I can work with. I'm okay with the fact that I could just fry my hair off. I just wanted to make it known I don't recommend you do that. At most maybe 20-25 volume, but I'm willing to risk it. This is a lot easier to mix than powder bleach, I'll say that. I did about a 1-to-2 ratio, and it said you could use 1-to-1 or 1-to-2. I went with the more 1-to-2 because I think the developer is what really helps make it lighter, and that's the goal. So now I'm really gonna get started.
I was on my road, heading to you cause you made me feel I'm home. I was talking to you on my road, cause I know I'm too scared to love it shine like chrome. I wish I was on my road, heading to you cause you made me feel I'm home. I was talking to you on my road, cause I know I'm too scared to love it shine like chrome. How do you fix a broken person, eh? How do you fix a broken person, eh? How do you know that I'm so broken, eh? How can I love without me breaking? 너를 원한다고 해서 이건 될 게 아닌데 나는 무엇 때문에 이렇게 또 눈물이 나네. Walking down the streets telling myself it's okay, but you know that I'm too weak and I'm not okay. Remedy on my hands, 네 자신을 고쳐볼게. 그러면 나도 완벽한 사람이 되어 정갈은 different, okay. 친구들한테 내 상태에 대해서 말하는 것도 안 돼. I don't know how long I'm going to last, yeah. 오늘 밤 나는 방전이 또 되어 방한 충전기에 나를 또 꽂아. I don't think I can do this anymore. I don't think I can do this anymore. 오늘 밤 너 없는 하루가 깊어 너에게 취해서 숙취가 길어. I don't think I can do this anymore. I don't think I can do this anymore. I wish I was on my road, heading to you cause you made me feel I'm home. I was talking to you on my road, cause I know I'm too scared to love it shine like chrome. I wish I was on my road, heading to you cause you made me feel I'm home. I was talking to you on my road, cause I know I'm too scared to love it shine like chrome. How do you fix a broken person, eh? How do you fix a broken person, eh? How do you know that I'm so broken, eh? How can I love without me breaking, eh? Nobody knows it's empty, the smile away, yeah. I wanna smile like 20, like I don't care, yeah. Mistakes always plenty, but don't you tell ya. I get that you can hate me and call this fair, yeah. Hope you understand what I've been through, cause I'm too tired to tell my story. Wish you good luck in every single bit, cause I can only love you shortly. Standing all alone, vibrates on my phone. Switch back to airplane mode, orbit across my zone. Standing all alone, vibrates on my phone. Switch back to airplane mode, orbit across my zone. I'm just trying to get to you like I wanna make you mine. I'm just spending all my thoughts on you like I need you now. I'm just trying to get to you like I wanna make you mine. Yeah. I'm just spending all my thoughts on you like I need you now. Mary Jane, please love me. Mary Jane, please hurt me. Mary Jane, please hate me. Mary Jane, please love me. I'm just trying to get to you like I wanna make you mine. Yeah. I'm just spending all my thoughts on you like I need you now. Darkness can't stop on the way. 내 눈 속에 날 보면, girl, you make all my heart melt away. Baby, be my Mary Jane.
Alright, here we are. I have it all applied as best as I feel like I could get it for the moment. It's taken me about 30 minutes to apply all of this. It's the only thing about short hair, cutting it doesn't make it any easier to do the roots. Unfortunately, it still took a while. So I'm going to leave this on for maybe like 10 minutes. I put a shower cap on and take a tip out of aka Aislin's book and use a heating pad. And I'm actually going to focus that just more on the front of my head to heat it up to kind of catch up with the back. Then I'm going to do a bleach bath, a mild bleach bath, and leave that on for about 5 minutes and then rinse out, and I'll be back to show you what we're left with. I missed a huge spot. No, I'm definitely gonna have to go back and fix that. That sucks. That sucks so bad. That's a big spot I missed. I can't believe I missed that. That's what happens when you do it at home. It's always better to have a professional do it if you can afford it. Even if it's just the bleaching part, I've thought about that, like maybe just asking my hairstylist to just do my roots for me on occasion, but whatever. On the plus side, I think most of this will come out. It's barely been on for a minute and it's already very white. I'm just gonna leave this on for literally a few minutes and then I'm gonna wash it out. Also, I might have some banding here. I think I let my roots grow a little bit longer than I really should have. And I had a feeling that might happen. The reason for that is the closer to your scalp your hair is, so like right at the base of your roots, it's the hottest. so it processes faster than the ends of your hair. That's why heat can help make it a more even process, and I was hoping to avoid this by doing that, but whatever. I'm just accepting now that I'm gonna have to go and do a little bit more to this. It is what it is. Okay, here we are. I only did the one round. I decided I'm going to, sorry if you can hear my dog walking around. He's always under my feet, but anyway, there are definitely some parts not as dark as they could be, like this, because it's like one of the last pieces I did. Like over here it's lighter, in the back it's probably, actually it's still a little bit orange in the back. Let me show you. And it's looking so dry right now because it is dry. I haven't conditioned yet because I'm gonna do something with my hair after I end this video. So if you wanna see that, stay tuned for next Friday's video. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it so much. Please leave a like and subscribe. It really helps me out and it's a free way to support my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Peace, love, God bless.